Hi guys, welcome to ICM TV. ICM TV in collaboration with ICM Software House is bringing many computer training courses for you free of cost. Subscribe to ICM TV channel and don't forget to press the ring icon so that you will be notified about all upcoming training and the promotions. ICM Software House is a multinational software company which is specialized in ERP consultancy services. ICM Software House is Oracle Gold partner. ICM Software House provide end-to-end ERP implementation consultancy and support services. In licensing, ICM Software House provides the best prices from the market. In implementation, we implement ERP solution based on Oracle Unified methodology using best practices across the industry standards. In support, we provide 24/7 support, which is online and offshore support. We have consultants working in different geographical areas around the world, as well as we have core team, a very big team for support in Pakistan. Our head office is in Pakistan. We provide corporate training, online training, on-site training, as well as user-defined and custom-defined trainings. Based on the business needs, we define the trainings for the people and for the companies. My name is Abaidur Rahman and today I am instructor for your training. Before starting the training, I'll tell you about myself. I build custom solution for more than 100 different customers based on their business requirements. I'm working on Oracle e-business from last more than 15 years and I participated in Oracle e-business implementation for more than 25 large e-business projects. I'm working on Oracle Fusion application from last 5 years and I worked on more than 5 Fusion application projects. With ICM Software House, I'm working with many geographical areas which include Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, UAE, UK, USA, Australia and Canada. Yes guys, today our topic is e-business essentials for implementer. This course is for all of the people who want to be Oracle e-business implementers. So actually this is first and core basic course where I'm going to teach you the basic structure for Oracle e-business. So this course consists of 8 days, 8 topics. Each topic I will upload in each week. So normally within two months time, I will upload all the courses, all complete course for e-business essentials for implementers for you. So first of all, I will tell you about e-business introduction in the day one. What is the e-business introduction? What are the core important modules for the e-business and what are the integrations in Oracle e-business? And then in the next lecture, I will tell you the basic navigations. So in Oracle e-business, we have 12.1, 12.2. In 12.2, there is 12.2.6 and 2.8. So we will be working on 12.2.6 or 12.2.8. As well as I will tell you the difference between 12.1 and 12.2.8 as well. So after that, I'm going to teach you about shared entities and integrations. So Oracle e-business is an integrated environment where there are many entities which are shared among the modules. And what are the integration key things? I'm going to teach you about that. After that, I will tell you about the Oracle e-business basic key business flows. In the basic key business flows, I will tell you most important key business flows like procure to pay, order to cash, hire to fire, all of those key business flows for Oracle e-business I'm going to explain you. After that, in the next lecture, I'm going to tell you the fundamentals for system administration. There are some basic key things which every implementer must need to know from the system administration side. And then next is the most important topic which is a must for all the implementers. This is called flex field. So flex field is a very important topic and which is sometimes confusing for the new implementers. I'm going to explain you about the flex fields in detail in the lecture number 6. After that, there will be lecture number 7. Then in the lecture number 7, I will tell you about the Oracle alerts. Alerts are the notification which you send it to the people on some certain events. And then after that, there will be in the lecture number 8, I'm going to tell you about multi-organization structure. Oracle e-business, how it handles the multi-organizations in Oracle e-business. So please be with us, subscribe to our channel and wait for my next lecture, and then I'm going to teach you in detail about the Oracle e-business fundamentals.